जय जय श्री राधे श्याम। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। दोस्तों मित्रों, आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आज इस सेशन में भक्ति के। तो मैं सिर्फ इतना बताना चाहता हूँ, जैसे कई कहते हैं मैरिज मटेरियल वर्ल्ड में मटेरियल पीपल के लिए ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन जरूर बनती है। जैसे मेरे पास प्रभु लोग आते हैं, मेरे पास साइंटिस्ट, डॉक्टर, भगत के पास सब कोई खड़े हैं और भगत सिर्फ इतना बताता है, दास सिर्फ इतना बताता है। कोई कहता है कि मेरे पास मर्सिडीज है, बंगला है, गाड़ी है, सुंदर पत्नी है। तो मैं सिर्फ प्रभु को इतना बताता हूँ कि जो भी कुछ आपका है वो ठाकुर जी का है, उसमें लगाओगे तो सुख पाओगे, नहीं तो दुख ही पाओगे। क्योंकि बिकॉज वी आर पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ कृष्ण। जैसे कि ये मेरे फिंगर हैं, पार्ट्स हैं बॉडी के, करते तो स्टमक के लिए है ना, उसी तरह हम सारे एक सोल हैं। तो भगत को तो कोई डिफिकल्टी नहीं। वन हु इज ए स्पिरिचुअल पर्सन, ही हैज नो ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन व्हाटसोएवर रिगार्डिंग मैरिज एंड एवरीथिंग। जैसे हम बताए, ये जो हम धोती कुर्ता जैसे हम पहनते हैं, ये कान्हा जी की साड़ी है। ये जैसे ये मांग में ये लगा है चंदन का टीका, ये सिंदूर है। तो आत्मा की प्यास केवल परमात्मा बुझा सकते हैं, वही पति परमेश्वर हैं, हम उसकी गोपी हैं, वो हमारा प्रीतम है। ऐसा अगर हर कोई समझ ले और भक्ति में लग जाए तो इस डेजर्ट में मटेरियल वर्ल्ड के 1 ड्रॉप वाटर से प्यास तो बुझेगी नहीं। हाँ, स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड में जरूर बुझ जाएगी। जितनी उसकी प्यास बुझती है वो आगे बाकियों को बांट सकता है। और वी शुड स्प्रेड दिस इंफॉर्मेशन टू ब्रदर सिस्टर। इससे वो संपत्ति धन असली है, वो बढ़ती जाएगी। तो आप जितना लग सकते हैं, मैं ये भी मानता हूँ हुक्म के बिना, आज्ञा के बिना कुछ नहीं होता, पर आप जितना लग सकते हैं इसमें लगिए और औरों का भी भला कीजिए। धीरे धीरे करके पौड़ी चढ़िए। तो आज दिस सेशन वुड बी इन इंग्लिश विदाउट एनी डिले। मैं ये स्टार्ट करता हूँ। ये गुरु महाराज का लेक्चर है, शीला प्रभुपाद की जय 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 गुरुदेव। तो इसमें ही इज टेलिंग इन श्रीमद् भागवतम 6th canto 2nd chapter and 13th श्लोक, 13 number श्लोक. It says it was recorded on September 15th by Guru Maharaj in 1975 in Vrindavan, India. So seeing is not believing. Then let's start. Hari Bol. तो अथेनम आपनेयात कृता शेषा घनिष्कृतम यद्सो भगवन नाम म्रियमाण संग्रहित. तो the most important word here is म्रियमाण संग्रहित. Ordinarily there are discrimination of नाम आभास and नाम अपराध. शुद्ध नाम, pure name. नाम आभास means almost pure, and नाम अपराध chanting the holy name with अपराध. There are 10 kinds of offenses. Chanting the holy name with aparad, there are 10 kinds of offenses. Out of the 10 kind of offenses, the most offensing chanting is Nam Namo Baladasya hi Paap Buddhi. Nam Namo Baladasya hi Paap Buddhi. One aparad is Gurur Avagya. If we neglect the orders of Guru and chant Hare Krishna, then it is aparad. Offense, Guru Avagya, Shishruti Shastra Nindanam. The Vedic literature, whatever injection is there, if I don't obey or I decline. Oh, there are so many rules. It is not possible. श्रुति शास्त्र निंदनम, नाम में अर्थवाद. We interpret in our own way about the Naam and to consider the holy name of Vishnu and other names equally important. That is Naam Aparad. Namno baladasya hi paap buddhir, and because one is chanting Hare Krishna, he thinks even if I do something sinful, it will be counteracted. That is aparad. And to instruct to a person who has no interest in Hari Kirtan, that is also aparad. So we should not be very much interested to preach Krishna consciousness if one is not very much interested. But tactfully, if you can just try to give him a boon in this way. There are 10 kinds of offenses we have discussed many times, and I think all of you know it. Here it is said, Mriyaman Samgrihit. Mriyaman Samgrihit. Because at the time of death, he has uttered Narayan. So here they are talking about Ajamil, that at the time of death, he has chanted Narayan, or he has uttered Narayan. So now there is no question of, it is said in the Bhagavad Gita that Yesham Tavanantagatam Papam. By chanting Hare Krishna mantra, one gradually becomes free from all sinful reaction. Tesham Yesham Tavanagatam Papam Jananam Punya Karmanam Tve Dvand Moh Nirmukta Bhajante Mam Dridvarata. And the fruit is, as it is said in the Bhagavad Gita, Ant Kale Cha Mamev Smaran Muktva Kalevaram. Ya Prayati Sa Mad Bhavam Yati Nast Yatra Sanshaya. If at the time of death one can chant Hare Krishna, then he is glorious. Nast Yatra Sanshay. Here it is clearly said in the Bhagavad Gita, Nast Yatra Ant Kale. Nast Yatra Ant Kale. I have several times said that the test will be examined at the time of death. They say in Bengal, Bhajan kar sadhan kar murte jaan le hoye. Your austerity, penances, chanting of the holy names, all these things, just like there is examination before promotion to higher class. One is examined. One is examined in the school. And if the marks are sufficient, then he is promoted. So our promotion will depend at the time of death. Where we are going, Tatha Dehantar Prapti. We are going to change our body. Death means we are going to change our body. It is already decided what kind of body you are going to get, but the final decision would be taken at the time of death. That it is said by Krishna. So how the test everyone can understand, if at the time of death one chants Hare Krishna, then he knows certainly that he has gone to Golok Vrindavan. There is no doubt about it. Ant Kale, and even if there is aparad, that is not taken into consideration, because at the time of death he has uttered. This is special consideration. Ant Kale. Here it is said, Yatso Bhagwan Naam Mriyaman Samgrahita. Samgrahit means some means it is, some means perfectly. Now he is quite fit for going back to home, back to Godhead. So you do not touch him. He is completely free. So if we are serious about our life, the method is very easy. The prescription is Manmana Bhav Madmakto, Manmana Bhav Madmakto, Madbhakto Madaji Mam Namaskuro. Manmana Bhav Madbhakto, Madaji Mam Namaskuro. Where is difficulty? Where is the difficulty? Where is the difficulty? We are not serious. Chant Hare Krishna and hear Hare Krishna, then mind is fixed up. Sarve man Krishna Padar Vindyo. Our business is to fix up. Our business is to fix up my mind on the lotus feet of Krishna. So this Krishna, Hare Krishna chanting will help us. As soon as we chant, we hear it is not that simply by seeing Krishna you will become perfect. By hearing Krishna you will become perfect. It is not that simply by seeing Krishna you will become perfect. By hearing Krishna, that is also another sense. We gather knowledge from different senses. Suppose there is a good mango. So when you say, let me see how the mango is, but you are saying, no, this seeing is imperfect. You take little portion of the mango, then you can understand. So experience is gathered from different senses. Why you giving stress only on seeing? This is foolishness. This is foolishness. Just like you cannot taste the mango seller may not allow you to taste. So even if you do not taste, but you can smell. By smelling, you can understand whether the mango is good. Whether the mango is good or bad. After all, you need to get experience. So why you stress upon seeing Krishna? That is the most foolish proposal. You have other senses. Krishna is ready to be perceived by you by other senses. What is that? Even hear Krishna, then you must know there is Krishna. Krishna is not different. Krishna is not different. From his name, form, either form or name or quality or paraphernalia, anything. He is absolute. There is no duality. Anything you perceive, that is Krishna. This Krishna temple is also Krishna. So we have no sufficient knowledge. We have no sufficient knowledge. How to understand Krishna? Krishna is prepared to be understood by us in so many ways. So Kali Yuga, therefore name is so important. Kalo nastev 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 gatiranyatha Harir Nam kevalam. This formula should be seriously taken. Krit shesha agrishkritam ashesha. Unlimited amount of or unlimited number of sinful activities are already finished. So the Yamduta forbid them. They do not touch him. They do not touch him. He is not fit for going to Yamlok, but he is fit for going to Vishnu Lok. Bhagwan Naam Priyaman. The most important thing is how to become successful at the time of death. Chant Hare Krishna. This will be Bhagwan Naam Priyaman. That will be the perfection of life. Then they explain Sanketyam, Parihasyam, Vasthovam Helanmeva, Vaikuntha Naam Grahanem, Sheshghaharam Vidhu. Sanketyam, just like sometimes on the street some outsiders seeing you, they chant Hare Krishna only by the symbolic Sanketyam. Because they see they have got this tilak kanthi, therefore these things are required. Don't become immediately Paramhans. No tilak, no kanthi, no bead bag, this is not good. Sanketyam. So that others may understand that here is a Vaishnav, here is a Krishna devotee, and if he is simple, he will chant Hare Krishna. This chance will be given. Therefore it is necessary how people can utter. Thus chanting means saving from the greatest danger. Therefore it is said Sanketyam. Parihasyam, if somebody jokes, somebody sometimes they do that Hare Krishna, mane he is not seriously chanting, but he is trying to joke the other party who is engaged in chanting. That is also good. Parihasyam. During Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's time, Muslim they used to joke the Hindus. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. So the practice made them chanting Hare Krishna. And the police officers were informed by the constables that these Hindus are chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Then police officers asked them, then why you are chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna? By imitating they become practice to chant Hare Krishna. It is so nice, even joking, symbolic. Sanketyam, Parihasyam, Stobham, or praying Helanmeva without any care Hare Krishna. Anyway, if you chant Hare Krishna, then Vaikuntha Naam Grahane Ashesh Agharam. Agha means sinful activities. So nice thing. Hare Krishna movement. Hare Krishna movement. Some way or other, if you can take it very seriously, then our life will be successful. At the end of lifetime we can chant. Therefore Yamunacharya says, not Yamunacharya, Kulshekhar, he was also emperor. Krishan Tavdi Pad Pankaj Panjarante अदेव में विष्णु मानस राजहंस प्राण प्रयाण समय कफवात पित्ते कंठवरोधान विधु स्मरण कुतस्ते. He is praying, my Lord, now I am healthy. Now I am healthy. I am quite conscious. So this time if I absorb my mind in your lotus feet and die, it is very good. It is very good, because in the natural time of death the three elements Kaf, Vat, Pith, they will be dismantled and there will be different sounds. Mind would be distracted, brain will be falling, so hardly there is possibility of chanting your holy name. The best thing is now if I am feeling healthy and my whole system, physical system is quite fit, let me chant Hare Krishna. Let me chant and die. This is the desire of the devotee. So we should keep ourselves. Krishna is also very kind. If you chant seriously without offense, even the mental condition at the time of death is disordered. Krishna will help you how to chant without any offense. So the only qualification is that we must be very sincere. Even by symbolic chanting, by joking, if we can get the benefit, why not do it carefully? Why not do it carefully? What is the wrong there? Be serious and chant Hare Krishna very carefully in order to get success in life at the time of death. Thank you very much. Srila Prabhupada ki Jai Jai Jai. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram